All right, this will be the last video for this week here, Money Makers. And I want to talk to you about this. This is called iSonic AI, another AI tool that wants to train to use your content. So if you are making content like me, or if you're just making regular diary videos or whatever you're making per the other last three videos that I have made on my channel here, make sure you turn your content and they want to use that content so you can be able to make money. So if you're not making content, just go ahead and start making content and then you can join the wait list. But here it is pretty much. You're going to join your wait list. You're going to select whatever it is, Money Makers. I'm just using this as an example because everybody knows my email. They should know it by now. And then join the movement. And it's very simple. It's going to email you um, a little bit of things. Creators should be masters of their own digital estates, meaning that's going to continuously earn you residuals income as long as they keep using your content. So if you have over 600 videos, just think about how many people are playing that and reusing that all the time. And they will pay you. They will pay you. My friend would join this about maybe 2 or 3 years ago, another version of it, and he got paid for this. But this is now a newer site, so we don't have payment proof for this particular one. But please make sure that you are joining this, signing up today, so you can be able to join the wait list, and they will send you the email directly to your email to let you know all the details about how they're going to use your data, how they're going to use your content, what purposes they're going to use it for, all of that good stuff. And I want you to be mindful. You do not have to have them use your content, only if you want them to use it. You do not have to have it. This is not necessary if you don't want to do it. If you want to retain all earnings for your content, just join the program. But if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. It's completely free, and you don't have to do this. But this is called iSonic AI, and they can pretty much use your content, and you get paid for that. So why not? If you have over 600 videos, or you have over 42 videos, whatever the amount, they're gonna use that to train their AI voice command prompts to better understand English language and stuff like that. So go onto their website, look at their terms of agreement, sign up if you want to or not, but you don't have to do that. It's pretty much optional. Um, and that's it. You're gonna just pretty much be waiting for to join it. But other than that, you guys have a great and wonderful day, and I will see you guys next week. Bye now.